Hello everyone, welcome to chapter Coordinate Geometry. Today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry and its important point. Let us understand what the coordinate geometry means. Suppose in a plane, let us assume that this blackboard is a plane. If in this plane I draw two mutually perpendicular lines, okay, two mutually perpendicular lines, you can see that this is a plane. If I have considered this as a plane and if I am drawing two mutually perpendicular lines, then this plane is divided into four parts which are known as your quadrant. So we will study how the definition of coordinate geometry is derived. Let us see here why it is used. To locate the position of a point in a plane. So for what we are using to locate the position of a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. So you can see that these two are perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal. So your this line is horizontal and your this line is vertical. Okay. And the other is vertical. The plane is called the Cartesian or coordinate plane. So this type of plane which is divided by two mutually perpendicular lines in four parts is known as your Cartesian or coordinate plane, and the lines are called your coordinate axis. So the lines are called your coordinate axis. You can see the more appropriate figure, this is two mutually perpendicular lines. Okay, now this line is your vertical line. Your vertical line is known as your y-axis and your horizontal line is known as your x-axis. So the another point is the horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. So you can see here, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay, now to understand more, we have got some more points. So the coordinate axis divides the plane into four parts called quadrants. So these are the four parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here, this is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So these four parts are known as your quadrant. Starting from the first, in first quadrant you will have both the point as positive. In the second, the first one is always your x coordinate and your second one is always your y coordinate. So your x is negative and y is positive. In third, you are having both the coordinate negative, and in fourth your x is positive and y is negative. Okay, so next, the point of intersection of the axis is called the origin. So you can see this is your origin, this point is your origin, which is denoted by 0, 0. Okay, next, the x coordinate of y axis is 0. That is any coordinate. Suppose this is any point. Suppose this is a point A. Right? Now, in this point, its x coordinate will be 0 and you will have the y coordinate, whatever the value is given. Similarly, the y coordinate of x axis is 0. Suppose any point is here. Suppose it is C. So, it will be your x 0. Any point on the x axis for y will be 0 and any point on the y-axis, its x-coordinate will be 0. The another thing is an equation of type y is equal to mx. So this is a line. This is a line passing through the origin. Now just see, if we have got any point, this is a point P in the first quadrant and A and B. So A is your x-coordinate. Your x-coordinate is also known as your abscissa, and your y coordinate is known as your ordinate. So this is how we locate the position of any point in the Cartesian plane by dividing two mutually perpendicular lines At the point of intersection, the point is known as your origin. These two mutually perpendicular lines divides the plane into four quadrants respectively. First quadrant in which x and y both are positive, second quadrant in which x is negative, y is positive, third quadrant in which x and y both are negative, and the fourth quadrant in which x is positive and y is negative. And any point on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0, and any point on the y-axis is of the form 0 comma 5. So these are the basics which we are going to study in the coordinate geometry, or you can say these are the basic formulas which will help you to understand the coordinate geometry more properly. Thank you.